Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to log out of your CoinGecko account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the CoinGecko application. Of course, this video will be made for iPhone users and Apple phones. This was downloaded from the Apple Store. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So down here we have markets, we have portfolios, the search bar, the explore, and in the bottom right corner we have the more. But now guys, let's see how we can actually go and log out of CoinGecko. So to do so, you need to just go and click on the last option, which is the more option in the bottom right corner. After that, as you can see, you have all the information about your account here. Your account, your app settings, tools, enjoy using CoinGecko and other stuff. And at the bottom, as you saw, we have the log out button or the sign out button. You just need to go and click on it. Are you sure you want to sign out? You have the cancel option and the sign out option. What you need to click again, guys, is the sign out option. And here, immediately, as you can see, you will be signed up. If you want to log in again, you can click login, type all of your information and log into the application. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'd be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.